proceed, ensure, interpret, cease, ban, obey, eliminate, resist, accompany, commit, pursue, demonstrate, bet, ruin, threaten, attach, reverse, restrict, compose, lean, substitute, trace, interrupt, confront, illustrate, arrest, stimulate, assure, consult, depress, crash, inspire, specialize, cultivate, fulfill, transmit, found, clap, burst, bow, dismiss, breed, prohibit, oblige, qualify, invest, grasp, collapse, overlook, accuse, frustrate, deprive, astonish, resistor, correspond, cast, attribute, neglect, starve, resolve, impose, convert, scare, constitute, appoint, imply, assign, not, elect, transfer, rob, capture, undertake, drown, split, resort, descend, irritate, pronounce, equip, cheat, emerge, devote, heal, urge, envy, chase, prompt, withdraw, detect, interfere, kid, launch, endanger, foster, diminish, spill, infect, stem, tap, embrace, proportion, contract, chest, treasure, stock, facility, soon, rank, democracy, emergency, protest, immigrant, vehicle, routine, stuff, row, profile, semicolon, dawn, welfare, perspective, enthusiasm, faith, occupation, witness, kingdom, equivalent, objective, pile, shelter, trial, honor, territory, frame, border, statistics, enterprise, context, load, grain, review, prejudice, strain, trap, temper, slave, wound, divorce, tune, height, faculty, span, dimension, version, parallel, horizon, acquaintance, burden, basis, poison, constitution, administration, charm, organ, prey, venture, mission, inquiry, award, strip, distress, circulation, shade, stereotype, client, output, lord, convention, mine, craft, core, stroke, frontier, pier, vessel, disability, comma, gravity, ethic, terminal, tide, abuse, guilty, vital, fellow, contemporary, annual, accustomed, steady, dull, keen, loose, delicate, internal, casual, mature, concrete, awful, exhausted, overall, tight, prime, genuine, modest, intimate, minimum, sophisticated, ladder, bitter, peculiar, passive, ethnic, noble, vain, innocent, underlying, alien, relevant, inclined, awkward, brilliant, desperate, refreshing, thrilled, inner, consistent, plain, vivid, miserable, substantial, fond, false, lazy, precisely, meanwhile, altogether, lately, barely, scarcely, accordingly, deliberately, beneath, whereas, declare, alter, rise, transform, defeat, investigate, distinguish, bury, coat, occur, accomplish, hesitate, endure, conclude, guarantee, dominate, confirm, greet, dot, entertain, defend, forbid, broadcast, sacrifice, punish, glance, retain, calculate, sinking, rescue, beg, define, deceive, convey, sustain, purchase, fade, regulate, distribute, enhance, chat, exceed, wipe, cooperate, inherit, unite, leap, exaggerate, conquer, melt, invade, modify, scatter, undergo, evaluate, bend, derive, screaming, gaze, pray, Polish, classify, assert, grab, fold, sweep, whisper, imitate, stare, emphasize, rid, pour, vanish, restore, deserve, laboratory, conference, continent, insurance, crew, poverty, shortage, affair, exception, wage, wisdom, tax, evolution, barrier, category, unit, reputation, virtue, courage, sympathy, union, civilization, volume, blossom, era, dispute, tourism, mankind, murder, landscape, destination, tail, reform, muscle, prospect, corporation, colony, quarrel, profession, aspect, pause, conflict, privilege, prosperity, genius, seed, symptom, merit, later, clue, circumstances, district, prison, companion, executive, justice, procedure, ray, heaven, luxury, oxygen, fund, theme, boundary, ambition, forecast, physiology, labor, committee, physician, philosophy, affection, candidate, bomb, priority, obstacle, appetite, tension, tribe, budget, campaign, sorrow, satellite, insight, cough, fate, scheme, insult, inhabitant, fossil, motive, instinct, legend, empire, suburb, architecture, passion, cancer, logic, dozen, harvest, ingredient, hypothesis, voyage, editor, auction, hemisphere, mechanism, anthropologist, tragedy, antibiotic, fair, debt, curriculum, component, wheat, usage, castle, famine, extinction, purse, folk, explosion, portion, organism, merchant, myth, incident, wildlife, congress, bay, penalty, heritage, diversity, thumb, geography, factor, discrimination, virus, statue, priest, pioneer, trait, bond, grocery, secretary, dialect, astronomy, youngster, substance, finding, strategy, lung, opponent, ritual, outcome, conservation, mammal, telescope, refugee, code, flavor, particle, nursing, suicide, habitat, bullying, dinosaur, council, gender, surgery, innovation, protein, nutrition, disaster, emission, babe, molecule, sweat, transplant, species, tip, cattle, density, concept, pale, precious, loyal, isolated, generous, tropical, reluctant, vague, vast, numerous, rural, widespread, complicated, visible, raw, remote, urgent, silly, striking, adequate, extraordinary, odd, abstract, mutual, excessive, ashamed, tremendous, inevitable, pure, stable, indifferent, aggressive, ultimate, shy, solar, profound, subtle, conservative, brave, intense, alcoholic, manual, cruel, rational, initial, immune, linguistic, crucial, verbal, optimistic, flexible, grateful, lively, overwhelming, abundant, selfish, ugly, racial, prominent, controversial, federal, ridiculous, imaginary, harsh, random, adolescent, up-to-date, liberal, prior, moderate, fluent, elaborate, incredible, radical, acid, death, medieval, ecological, slight, ignorant, cognitive, absolutely, virtually, somewhat, merely, literally, seemingly, regardless, thoroughly,